Hi friends, welcome to GiGi's farm. Let's go see the animals we have. Here at the pen, who do you see? Do you hear a oink? Who can that be? Great, that's a piggy. Do you know what sound a piggy makes? Right, it oink, 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 oink. These are so cute and funny. They're usually the color pink and they like to get super dirty in the mud. Did you know that a baby pig is called a piglet? Here on the grass, who do you see? Do you hear a moo? Who can that be? Great, that's a cow. Do you know what sound a cow makes? A cow moos. Moo. Did you know that a baby cow is called a calf? Here at the coop, who do you see? Do you hear a sheep? Who can that be? Right, it's a little chick. Do you know what sound a chick makes? Correct, a chick cheeps. They go cheep, 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 cheep. They're so cute and little, and they're the color yellow. Here at the barn, who do you see? Do you hear a neigh? Who can that be? Right, it's a horse. Do you know what sound a horse makes? Correct, it neighs. Great job. Did you know that a baby horse is called a foal? Here at the farm, who do you see? Do you hear a woof? Who can that be? Correct, that's a dog. A dog barks and it sounds like a woof. Here at the pen, who do you see? Do you hear a bat? Who can that be? That's a sheep. Do you know what sound a sheep makes? Bat, bat. Great job! Did you know that a baby sheep is called a lamb? Thank you so much for coming to play at my farm today. I had such a great time. I hope to see you back soon. Bye! Have a great day!